Hi, everybody. This is Gary Dean, and this is our weekend video report for Monday, December 26, 2016. Hope you guys had a fantastic Christmas and holiday, and you're enjoying your day off from the market. I know I've been getting a couple emails about people can't hear the videos that well. I got a new wire for my, for the whole microphone thing. So if I'm if you can't hear it, please send me an email. I, might have to go just get a whole new microphone set. But anyway, there's really not a whole lot that has changed from Friday. I've been expecting that the market was going to be pretty boring, and there's a pretty good shot that it could be boring this week as well. So there's not a whole lot of participation in this market because of the holidays that we're in right now. A lot of people are done for 2016, and they're just going to kind of wait for 2017 to get things going again. And, there's from there, it's just boring. So if you're going to be taking trades, you got to be really, really quick with it because there's not a whole lot of huge movement going in. Now, momentum is on the side of the bulls. They're obviously in a buy mode right now, but the technicals are screaming to be very, very careful because we have bearish divergences on almost all the charts. So the daily chart right here does not have bearish divergences. So this is actually suggesting that whatever pullback we get, if we get one, that we're going to come back up and take these highs out, and that would set up the bearish divergences like this. So that's kind of, I don't think it's, if you're looking for a short position to ride for a swing trade, I don't think now is the time. You just want to be a little bit patient. But again, long side is dangerous because when you look at a 60-minute chart, we have a very extended bearish divergence, and I think that's why the bulls are having a little trouble pushing higher. So this is a triangle, a second triangle that was drawn, and you can see that the S&P broke through it. So what the bears have to do, or what let's say the bulls have to do, is get the S&P above the 2267. That will get you a reaction trade up to 2272. If they get above that, then we're looking at the 2277. So the bears want to defend that. What they want to get through, and what the bulls want to defend, is the 2255. And if they get through that, then there's a good shot that we're coming back down and testing this 2248. And if that gets taken out, that's when we start testing some of the fib lines and support, and it would just be a larger pullback. And to me, I think it would be a better buying opportunity and really be healthy for the bulls instead of just trying to continue to ramp things higher. So if they pull back, this would be the areas that you want to look to buy, would be the 2131 and the 2223 area. So this would be the buy area. If it moves up, then there's a shot they're going to try for 2300. It's tough to say, but especially with the bearish divergences and the very overextended momentum, it's going to be tough to get there. 15-minute chart. This was the smaller wedge I was showing you where the S&P broke out of it. And from there, we've then come back down below it. So the pattern was bullish. Now it's bearish again. And, we could be doing a back test of the bottom of the triangle here that extends out. And that's also some resistance. And that's right around that, the 2267 level. Above that, then they're going to try to reach for this 2272 and then the 2277. So, like I said, it's tough to say what they're going to do because participation is not going to be around. Its volume is going to be very low. They could drift it higher. They could try to shock some people and take it lower. And when you don't really have any good risk-reward trade setup, you just sit and watch and be patient. The dust is going to settle. There's going to be larger moves, but right now is not the time to be placing any big bets on direction because the low volume could really, really mess you up. And if you're doing options, there's the time piece of it is going to kill you as well. So let's see what plays out tomorrow. Like I said, there's really not a whole lot to go over here. And enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow.